Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to avoid Shopify payment holds. So let's get started. There are some times when Shopify holds your payment. Your money gets locked into your Shopify store and you cannot check it out. When a Shopify payment has a hold on all of your funds because of your perceived risk, Shopify will then decide whether or not they should keep the money you need to run your business. Having funds withheld is a fairly common problem that many merchants face. So, today I will tell you how to avoid being your Shopify payments on hold. First of all, you would have to know that why would Shopify payments will hold your funds. So, there could be a reason for that they are verifying your identity. When you first sign up for Shopify payments, they need to verify that the information you provided is accurate and your account details are accurate and you are a legal authentic person running a store. So another reason could be that you have added a card that needs to be verified. If you have added a card, a credit or debit card that needs verification method, then you would have to verify it first. Due to that reason, Shopify would have holded your funds. So, to prevent fraud, Shopify will temporarily hold your funds until they can confirm the accuracy of your payment information. Another reason could be you have recently added a new bank account. In order to verify a new bank account, the Shopify payment will attempt to make two deposits into it. It's noted that this verification process is only required if you have a new bank account or if you have made changes to your existing account. Another reason could be you are living in a high risk country or area or you are operating in a high risk industry. Due to high volume of fraudulent activity from merchants in certain countries or industries, Shopify might temporarily hold funds from transactions as part of their fraud prevention process. Also, some products or services that you offer may be deemed too high risk for Shopify and they may not be able to support your business. You can also go to Shopify payment requirement and Shopify restricted item list to check what is acceptable and what is not. Another reason could be that you may have a 14-day hold. Sometime when you start selling with Shopify payment, your money might get held for a few weeks. Reason is simple. A lot of merchants are brand new at starting their own business and as a result, they may not have the best reputation with customers yet. This gives their team time to monitor the validity of your orders. In this scenario, your best bet is to wait this out and see what the team decides. Now we will talk about how you can avoid Shopify payments from holding your funds. So, as mentioned before, you should start by making sure that the items you sell are not on their list of prohibited goods, restricted goods. Another reason is that Shopify can do business with you wherever you are located, that your area or your country is not the restricted area. Another reason, number three, is your business is not too high risk and on their restricted list. If the above doesn't apply to you, then there are a few things you can do to make sure your funds clear faster. Check your chargeback ratio. Shopify may hold your funds until they can get a better understanding of your business. If you don't know what a chargeback is, how to check the rate, we've got you covered. Chargeback is when money is returned to a customer for a transaction after the customer successfully wins a dispute with their bank. So the bank will then collect this information and formally file the dispute, which becomes a chargeback case. If the bank finds the customer's dispute is valid and warranted, they will return the customer's funds for the transaction. Okay. Another reason is considering refund amount. Refund amount can affect how long it takes for funds to be released. If this sounds like something that might be affecting you, you can consider reasons if when your customers are asking for refunds, you can make changes to your business model. Now you can also stay in touch with their risk department. If you are using Shopify payments for less than 90 days, or your account is flagged as a high risk account, you can now ask the team, contact the support team of Shopify. It's important to keep track of how many orders you anticipate taking and if you see a trend in sales. So get in touch with the risk team to see what volume are you are allowed to run, so that way you don't end up ruining your relationship with Shopify payments. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.